on how to live your life in the rock and roll way. Sometimes you be talking along and you forget what you're saying, but you like the way you're saying it. Ha ha! You're like a rock and roll train. You on the tracks and there's rain and you got a pile of steam coming on and there's a tree in the middle of the track and you go, "Huzzah! Tree everywhere!" They don't know what you said, but they got the message. And they were like, "Hey, that guy is living a rock and roll lifestyle. I want that guy to be taking me home tonight." Yeah, Brian Lee had this happen to me. That's right. I was singing the Star-Spangled Banner with the Boston Patriots. And I'm in the middle of the song and I forgot the words. But I kept on pounding along like a rock and roll train. And the rockets roll cloud. I got stuff in my head. Give proof through the night. Then my pants were still there. Oh, say does that hot chick in the stands know my name? Oh, the land of the free, and the home of the Yeah, and that was the last time I ever did the Star-Spangled Banner. Cause it was awesome! Ooh, Zaba! Alright, babies, go and chew on that one for a while. I'll see you in a little bit with my next rule for living the rock and roll lifestyle.